In today's video, we're going to be cleaning the filter on this Noma 50-pint dehumidifier. If you look up here, the light is on to clean the filter. So I'm going to show you how to access the filter and clean it. This is going to be an easy video. And by the time I'm done, you'll know how to clean the filter on your Noma dehumidifier. So first thing we're going to do is shut it off. Then we're going to unplug it. And then we're going to turn the dehumidifier around. Right here is where the air filter is. So you're just going to put your thumb in here and this cover comes off. This is your filter. So it may collect lint, dust, or other debris, particles. You just need to vacuum it off. Or if it gets really dirty, then you want to wash it with a light soap and water. Let it dry before you put it back on. While we're here, these fins here, you don't want to play with those. You don't want to dent those or bend them over. That'll stop your dehumidifier from working properly. So we'll go ahead and we'll just vacuum this filter off. So I have an attachment here on my vacuum cleaner. So it's just a light screening on there, but you know what? It collects lint, dust. So we'll put the filter back now. Just put it in the slots. Snap it in place like this. Plug it in. It should turn on automatically. No, it won't. Then we're going to turn it on. You didn't see this, but I pressed this button for the clean filter and the light went out. I should have showed you that. Like I said, it's a quick, easy video. Easy to clean the filters on these. Keep on top of it or else your dehumidifier won't work properly. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next video.